We just went some GameStop shopping, and we got some toys here.
Blah, we want to see.
We got the Inside Out toys, but we didn't discuss Enjoy.
Yeah.
We saw Discuss at the other GameStop, but my dad wouldn't let us get it.
Yeah.
But Joy is really hard to find. But I already unboxed this little cutie, Backspin. She's so cool, right? Here's what she looks like. Just put her over here. Okay. Now we're going to. And here's another Skylander we got. It's called Pop Fizz Punch Giants. Okay, you can open this.
Okay.
Unbox it. Or do you want me to do it?
I did. We're gonna unbox it. Let's open it.
Okay, well, while he's unboxing, we got Anger from Inside Out.
I'm opening Anger.
You know what? I'm not gonna sign this right now. Because we can discuss. Fear. And Bing bong.
I know.
Now put it over there. Same. Okay, do you want me to do this part?
No, yeah. Oh, well.
No. Stop it. No. One unbox at a time.
Well,
Give me some scissors, please.
let me see.
There we go. Okay, do it.
Well,
Okay, we unboxed Pop Fizz, Red Pop Fizz. Honestly, it's probably no. Stop. We gotta show this one first. Yeah, it's just a red version of Pop Fizz. Here's what it looks like. Now go there.
Okay.
Now it's time to unbox Anger. Wait, no, first let's show them what the box looks like. Okay. So on the top it has Anger's little face right there. Here's what the side looks like. It says Pop Anger 13, and that toy code is 136. Here's what the front looks like. It says Anger right there. I know it's backwards. Vinyl finger, not finger. Here's what the other side looks like. And here's what the back looks like. Here's joy, sadness, disgust, fear, anger, and bing bong. We almost got all of them. There's 2 more left. And if we had disgust, Dad, we would have all of them. We would only have 5. We would have 5 of them. We only got 4. Yeah. Here's the back. Okay, now it's time to unbox.
Okay.
He will do the honors. Let me see your face. Put it down.
Okay. Well, I'll open this while I open this later. Okay. Get her.
And there's Anger. Now tell him about Anger.
What? And inside out Anger, when somebody makes him, he gets really mad. Like he just do this.
Not that type of tell them. Like tell him about the toy.
What?
Okay, he's like.
Moon.
He's kind of hard. He's kind of heavy.
Yeah.
Here's what he looks like. Stop it. Here's what his side looks like. Here's what his back looks like. Boop. And he's right. Like that. Yeah. Raw. I'm so mad in the morning. No. You already opened 2. Now it's time for me. Okay.
Then
Who should we open next?
I know. Sadness.
Okay, let's open Sadness. Sadness is one of my favorites. Well, actually, no. Joy is my favorite, then Disgust, and then Sadness. But the ones that we have right now, she's my favorite. Okay, so let's put them. Give me it.
Right there. There's Anger.
Okay.
Next, I will open Fear.
No, I have to open them because you already opened Anger, him, and her. Okay. Here's Sadness. Sadness. What her friends look at? It says Sadness. Pop. Her code is 133. We're not gonna unbox him yet. Stop.
I will. Okay.
Give me it. Give me. People are watching this. Remember. Okay. Okay. So, hey, we can see our reflection. I look good. Okay. So here, Sadness. Here's what the front is. Sadness. Here's the side. I already showed you. And here's the front. And here's the back. Inside out. Same ones. Same as Anger's. Now to unbox it. I'm so excited for this. Okay. She was better than me. There we go. I accidentally threw box. Here's sadness. Stop! Oh, you can actually take our glasses off. I don't think you're supposed to be doing that though.
Oh no.
Okay. Maybe later. Okay.
What? No!
And here is her little sweater. This is so cute.
No,
Oh,
but
her
I'm angry.
Oh, her head can move. Her head can move.
Ooh.
I'm so sad. No anger. I don't want to play patty cake.
What? I don't want to play patty cake. I want to play. I want to play hide.
We're not playing with them yet. And here.
I know. I just want to play hide and seek.
Oh, and here are her little slippers.
Dun, dun, dun.
Like little slippers or something.
Okay,
But yeah, here is sadness.
They're going to put anger in there.
Woo! She's heavy.
Yes. No,
Yeah, her head can move. You can open. Bing bong, maybe?
No.
Fine. Well, give me the box first. Give me the box. We're not opening them yet. And yeah, she's just so sad.
And I did this.
Okay. Time to open fear. Wait. Let me show the box first. Here's the box. She's super light. Super light. Here's. Okay, let me move sadness and anger. I think sadness and anger would make a great thing. Make a great team and couple. Because when you're sad, when you're angry, you're also sad. Because when let's say something, you spilled your orange juice on something, which actually happened in the movie, or actually it was milk on your finished homework. You get sad. You get very sad. It's like, no, it took so long. But then anger comes in and he's like, I'm so mad about this because we spent so much on this. They would make a great couple, wouldn't you think? Okay, so back to the story. Okay, so here's fear.
Oh, open it.
No.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. That's what I do here and everything. Here's fear. Fear 134 is toy code. Oh, and sadness's toy code is 133. Here is it. Here's the side. Here's the front. This is fear.
Feel scared.
Okay, and here's sadness fell down. No. Here is the same as the back. Okay, now it's time to open it. Wait a minute. 1 second. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Why are you always open? Why not always
Okay,
open?
let me help you with this part.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh. Ugh.
She's crazy.
What?
She's a poopy butt.
What? No one.
Just open the toy. We don't have that much. We don't have that many minutes.
Okay, let's open this. Oh.
You want me to help you?
I got it. Here. It's here.
Oh, his head moves. He's like,
Next is bobbleheady.
oh, I'm so scared. Stop it. He has this little curl on his hair. This is so cute. He's like, no. Oh, no, this is bad. This is very, very bad. Stop.
How many movie does it?
We're not supposed to play with them yet. We're not playing with them yet. Okay, here's Fear. He has this little vest on. His little hand's like, worst thing could happen.
I think I kind of cut my. I think I kind of cut me. Cut my.
But yeah, here are his little shoes. And here are his little pants. Here's the back of him. Okay, and he has this little black eyes. Oh, by the way, all of them have those black eyes. Okay. Here's Fear. Okay. No, you're not playing with me yet. Shh.
I know I don't
Touch them.
Let's say Bubbleheady.
It's not Bubblehead. Oh, wait. Before we start unboxing it, I have to show you the box. Sorry. I love him.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. Okay, whatever. Here is Bing Bong.
I'm gonna go tell Dad.
No, please don't. Bing Bong. Here's the front.
Okay, I'll do it.
It says Bing Bong.
Okay,
Oh, here's the bottom. I haven't showed you this. It's just here's the back. Now it's his toy code is 137. Okay, so I did not look good. Ooh. He's like a little elephant man he's like an elephant crossed with a raccoon or something. But here is Bing Bong. He's like cute.
No, he's not cute, guys.
In a way.
He's weird.
Has his little swiper. I don't watch Dora. No, I seriously don't. He does.
I do not watch Dora. No.
Well, he did when he was a little kid.
I'm 7 years old.
Don't tell them your age.
5 years old, actually.
Yeah, sure, whatever. Here it is. There's a little tail. Here's the back. He's like the most decorated one out of all of them. Hello, I'm Bing Bong. Who's the birthday girl? I actually don't know who the heck he is. He has this little glove and this little flower thing. He has his little gloves and he's like an elephant man.
Nobody
This
knows
little
who
hat,
the
his
heck he
ears, and yeah.
Nobody knows who
Let's
the
bring them all
heck
out.
is he. Bubbleheady. His name is Bobhead. And then Gutter.
Stop. Don't touch them. Here are all the toys. Well, the inside out toys, but not all the toys that we actually got. There's still more. Stop. Don't touch them.
Nice
We got
one.
Bat Spin and put
Pop Fizz.
yeah, Bat Spin and Pop Fizz too. Oh wait, she. Here are all the toys that we got. Oh wait, here. There we go. Two. Put the Skylanders in the front. No, they're blocking them. Ooh! Now I know what it's like for all those toy collectors. Okay. Is that good?
2 angers, look. 2 angers. One.
Cool. Okay.
Angers,
Whatever. I don't care. But yeah, here are all the toys that we got. Comment which one. Okay, no. Okay, ready? 3, 2. Comment which one you like the best. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And say goodbye from Sadness will say goodbye to you.
Do it in the comments below. Do it in the comments below.
Bye.
Yeah, do it in the comments below.
Come on, get it ready. 3, 2, 1. Gotta say bye. 3, 2, 1.
Bye.
Bye.
See you in the comments below.